It started to rain once again in the national capital. I will just show you what's happening. The umbrellas are out. People are trying to find some shade to save themselves. But ladies and gentlemen, in the last 2 nights, which have been quite difficult as far as the farmers are concerned, those who have been braving this chill under the open skies, the farmers have been facing the double whammy of the cold winter and the rains, which are making life miserable. But their spirits are high. They are filled with hope that the government will take note of their protest and repeal the laws. They are determined to fight it out. Take a look at this story.
Freezing weather, heavy rain, but hope still high. Sunday's unseasonal rains and freezing temperature in the national capital have increased the woes of farmers protesting at Delhi borders. While waterproof tents saved the farmers from the showers, there was waterlogging at Singhu and Ghazipur borders where farmers are positioned.
You can see there are the 2 types of sheds. The first is a tent in which they are living, and second one is a temporary sheds, and they are living. They are saying they are still here to till then outcome of conversation between farmers and the government will come.
Even in such adverse conditions, farmers remain undeterred, pledging to intensify the protests if their demands are not met.
यहाँ सरकार को समझना चाहिए, यहाँ जो लोग हैं दिल से दुखी होकर निकल के आए हैं, जिनका वजूद बिल्कुल समझ लीजिए किसानों का खत्म होने जा रहा है।
बेटे ठंड तो लग रही, फिर हमारी समस्या है हमारे साथ। यदि हमारी समस्या हल ना हो, हम निमट जाएंगे, हम जागे नहीं जुआ रहे। और ये हमारी बारिश में आप देख रहे हो, अग्नि जला रखी उसके आगे बैठे हैं।
On the other hand, farmers are happy that it rained and it cannot tear down their spirits and hope.
जब कभी बारिश आती है तो किसानों को तो खुशी हो जाती है, क्योंकि हम तो बारिशों में रहे हैं। तो पहली बात ये हमारा क्या नुकसान करेगी बारिश, लेकिन फिर भी अगर आप पूछ रहे हो तो मैं आपको थोड़ा बताना चाहूंगा कि जहां पर हमारे तरपाल वगैरह थे वो थोड़े से फट गए हैं, जिसकी वजह से हल्का फुल्का नुकसान हुआ है, कोई बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है।
The situation is same at Singhu border. Farmers remain on the ground until the demands are met.
It seems the water tap has been turned on. It's been pouring cats and dogs since morning. But yes, a little relief coming in. But here in Singhu border, despite cold and inclement weather, the josh of the farmers is high.
They blame that government is still not listening to their demands.
जो हमारी सरकारें आज तक आई हैं, किसी ने भी किसान की सुध नहीं ली, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि जो बीजेपी सरकार आज सेंटर में बैठी हुई है वो इन ठंड में बैठे हुए किसानों की तरफ ध्यान दे।
At the Singhu border, kids of protesters held a kabaddi match with farmers.
मैम, मैदान तो चाहे कुछ भी हो, जंग तो हर जगह ही होती है। कंपटीशन तो हर जगह ही है, या इधर है या उधर है। हर चीज में कंपटीशन तो होता ही ना किसी चीज के लिए इंसान लड़ ही रहा है। किसान अपनी चीज के लिए लड़ रहे हैं और हम अपने गेम के वजह से लड़ रहे हैं।
Farmers have announced a tractor march in Delhi on January 26th after the Republic Day parade if their demands are not met till then.
गणतंत्र दिवस को अपने ट्रैक्टर और व्हीकल परेड करके उसको मनाएंगे, और 26 को दिल्ली में हमारे ट्रैक्टर फ्लैग्स लगा के दिल्ली में परेड करेंगे।
The 8th round of talks between farmers and the central government is scheduled on Monday. Government has expressed hope that there will be a breakthrough.
हम तो आशावान हैं कि किसानों की समस्याओं में निजात होगा, उसमें समाधान होगा, और समाधान के साथ यह आंदोलन भी समाप्त होगा।
As Delhi braves cold wave, the weather gods play havoc right here at Singhu border. Whether it's cold, whether it's rains, whether it's sun, the farmers are braving this with a smile. There are entertainment programs like Kabaddi being played out here, but the real match, the dangal, is between the farmers and the government on January 4th, and whether any solution will come up. With camera person Anurag Saxena, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
Let me now take you for a live update in this rain to Ghazipur border, where my colleague Abhishek Anand is standing by. Abhishek, we just saw how difficult it is for the farmers, but they have been braving all the elements of the nature, be it the cold or the rains. It's raining right now. How are they going through with their daily activities? What is keeping them in such high spirits?
Well, Ankit, it's raining here also in Ghazipur, and you can see too many farmers under my umbrella. क्या नाम है साहब आपका? जितेंद्र जी, कैसे चल रहा है ये बारिश में? आप लोग कैसे प्रोटेस्ट कर पा रहे हैं?
बारिश में भाई परेशानी तो है ही, पर परेशानी तो वहाँ भी रहा है जहाँ बच्चे पालने, हमें खेत में बच्चे घर छोड़ के चले जाओ बच्चे पालने के लिए। हम तो बारिश में क्या पानी में सांप काटो कुछ ही करो, खेती करे अपनी। और यहाँ मोदी गवर्नमेंट जैसे काला कानून लेकर आई, इनके खिलाफ हमें बारिश तो क्या ओलों में भी जाना पड़ेगा, जाएंगे।
कैसे दिन कैसे कटता है साहब? बारिश हो रही है, आपके पास पूरी छत नहीं है?
चद्दर है, कंबल है, इसी किसी लपेट ले अपना लौट जा कहीं लौट जाओ, दिन कट जा, रात को कट जा, अपने पल्ली गेर लगे।
चूल्हे जो थे लकड़ी से जल रहे थे साहब, गीले हो गए थे इस बार सुबह।
आज चद्दर लपेट के लौट जाए, यहाँ कहाँ डरने वाले, इतने गवर्नमेंट कानून वापस नहीं लाएगी, इतने यहाँ डटे रहेंगे।
So these are the farmers, Ankit, clearly saying that they are the rains have not dampened their spirit, and they are here till all the 3 laws have been repealed by the government. Ankit.
Thanks, Abhishek. Take care of yourself, and our sympathies at least for the farmers, because they have been braving these weather and what the government decides, which side of the debate you might be. The fact is that there are many old people, there are many young ladies, children, those who do believe in their cause, and they have been braving this weather. It is absolutely heartbreaking to see all of them in such trying conditions, just staying under the open sky with the determination that their voice would be heard.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.